Then the other way, we lock them, next lock the one over there. Yeah, lock up. So they lock two hands. Yeah, they have one side with the hand here, right? They want. What they want? Double up there. Yeah, you want.
Oh, what means that? This one will come up.
Yeah, don't go.
Don't go over.
Yeah. You don't go here. So we lock the over. Right, it's drop. Yes, they right. Is it what you cannot put it right? Oh, you cannot be. You can say no, and you
Yeah.
You can run it.
Try.
I do not so, in the long run, you got to see about you see that the world is different. And you have told about saying not this it was long. I didn't know it. Then I said, I know, then this there to push you along. Push and turn. You know what I mean? So I look at that. Then the time you know, yeah, my baby says, you know, yeah, yes.
Oh, just think of. Just
Yeah.
think of no giving up.
Yeah.
Like more giving up.
Then your head is a moving line. So this head, right? This head, this head, right? You can also then you go back first. Then this head you hold it also. Hold it. Then this head you go. Yeah.
So you don't put the hand or do the leg hand off.
What day you get everything? So you use both hands. So you get it up one, two. So pull down, 45 down. Right. Go, okay, first. Then what? Then go. Then go lên. No, pull it back. Go. Yeah. Okay. Try to be funny. Hold on, go. Then I need to do more of your head to you do it for you. Yeah, you're right. Okay, first, go. Yes. Then keep the other way. Right. Okay, guys. Yeah. Then with the head moving around.
So actually it doesn't matter which way I place.
It doesn't matter.
As long as I can have the swing motion.
Yeah, you see motion like you move and you step and you go. Yeah. Then you just fall way down. So if I don't fall down, right, I have the other way, I step again, move, then move, then if I don't fall down halfway, then right, you change your left hand,
Change my left hand.
your left, right your left, put my left, because on split, and we do the support. Yeah, and here. Yeah. So after the shape, the moment the head is dropping. So after I turn, I you see my head, very. Yeah.
So you
No, you don't. Push. Hold.
No, you got me.
Oh, that's it. Yeah. What's that? Yeah. So you want to be fast or slowly? Whether it be walk, don't mind, but if you don't walk, you want to be the head up to go to the head. Push. Okay. Try it first. Lock by. Yeah, can you better? Oh, yeah.
Why if I keep turning here?
Then you want
做你啊，这个你每天你买你工作啊，你都不看那，我都看那，啊，你说我建设的，我你有比人家说我大不比。
Jadi Nina just maybe, but you just put more than down there. Because after you turn with your head inside, turn up your head inside, up your head and then you just hold it over here. Ah,
地方来在说的，
yeah, it's a
哎，
diet.
那个我在对嘛，有一个有一个
If I let that be right, after you press down and hold, let it keep warm. Then hold it warm. Show them right. Show them right. Show them. Ah, then you need to control it. Okay. So you have what? Let it be warm. Okay. So you get to you draw the. Yeah, that's correct.
哦，原来我啊，
Yeah.
Because better than
Different way. When we are here, we need to watch push right. So if I want to do up, go up, can right, right. Then if I hold it, go up, yeah. So one push, one not going right. So to the top, to push the palm, to push with the hand, corner, the head. Suppose you can do any way because idea is then you can do it. Then look at it. So you have to push.
So if you want, you actually then you will take my photo.
Yeah. And don't need to put the whole of it.
I mean, if let's say you want to add a name,
I have no idea of this.
or
Right. Shy people are. I have here what you don't understand.
no, roughly. But I think when the time when also one thing when we like quite normal, people always like what you always like let's say your hand is like that, then they like to do this, you know, but of course the same thing lah, they control and like that. So but because that thing maybe I forget video lah. So this one control that this one they because they keep doing this, right?
So they look to hand here, right?
Then they already are here not very high.
Yeah. So
Then they come out with it.
then you cannot do it anything.
I mean, so I got but now roughly
Can you move?
I can adjust different way to adjust.
It's the first thing is the coming. When you start coming, it's already first passion. You know, first passion is really important. So every time you do, you got to get the good way first. Yeah, get the good way first. Get the good way first. At least you get one. Don't just be home with two hands, really good. At least you get one. But oh, one, yeah. Yeah, if I hold one, you can only one. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. What? You got to go on. You shake. Yeah, shake to the yeah. Yeah, I know. You got to shake one to them. Then you shake. Yeah.
I do have to
Cannot shake when you get it. Yeah.
I always say
You can come down. When you extend
to be fast.
yeah, it becomes this one haven't control yet, this one go oily. So at least at least we have one hand is controlling. Then when they controlling with the hand, you can go fine. But if you lose the hand movement together, you go there, okay. But if you strong one hand, two hands and like
Unless my two hands very fast.
no. Okay. Alright. You don't, it is not moving, right? It is not strong. Don't get it. Yeah. Okay, properly, yes. Because you want to move, you can move. Yeah. So this one you control it. You know you can move on. Yeah. Yeah. If I if I okay. Now you can move to the other. You can move it.
So I must move.
Yeah, when they moving also. If you cannot feel right, then you need to move. But even when you use to control, then you move. So now you're moving. See, I don't use the controller. I just go. So I keep going down. So this is going down. There, now I follow the control. I follow the change.
Oh, so you can
Yeah, I can come first. I will get it. You will get it. I go first. I don't need to go in this. Go in some more. Go in some more. Yeah, you need to say, then after, go some more. Go some more. Some more. Yeah, I almost right. So if you will go some more, then explain this session. If you are not,
if let's say for example, how you swap,
yeah.
Can I use the thing? After I find that all these all my head. So let's say for example, yeah, I do this
Okay. Take it a look. Take a look.
so I find that this is similar to the
Yeah, take almost it. Similar. So you just put the okay. If you see hold yeah. So you need to meet with the technique and the coming, yeah. But this time, nobody tell you that. You need to go fast. And you need to feel it yourself. You understand, right? When you need to feel it. The feeling. Yeah. Because when you move into that move, it's a feeling.
anyway. Oh, so I can do this one to the day. Outside.
No, you went to outside. Yeah. You just can be in front. Yeah.
Something very similar here.
Yeah. I mean, different but similar. It's similar. It's just go. Just turn around. Nothing much. Right. Điไปnhỏไปhả? Điไปkhông đi hả? Điไปnhỏไปđi hả?
So always like you changing my fire.
Yeah. So when I off my lunch, when I off my lunch, then you do it. When I off my lunch, then you do it. So if you have my lunch, push my lunch, so you cannot. Off my. Điไปhả? Điไป. Còn điไปhả? Cái nó street.
Oh, yeah.
I just did it all day.
It's okay. It's not. I like to even like
Yeah, so cleansing, I tell you, we have attack, prevent, and counter. So we have three options of it. Sending outside and defending. Cleansing is not always. It's not always. Rồi rồi, ok, tại vì ai không ai được quay yeah. So if the defense is strong enough, they keep not. But if you not strong enough, it is breaking. You get it? Me, I will play this defense because I'm not strong person. You may be stronger than me, but me, you take it. Whenever I control, I can fire power to control. But when I look at control, I take it again. I don't just play with it. Alright. Yeah. Easy, right? Yeah. Yeah. Kita tiba-tiba kita down here.
The second thing is
Ken,
Wow, kalau yang
kali itu di bawah.
nak
Turn better by.
di
You show the.
pada angle how you see. Oh, pada angle ini saya nak.
Yeah. Ui, mày ăn đấy mày thay là cho mày, thay là cho mày, đây là anh ui, đấy là chuyện được về đi rồi. Đây nhá, kia rồi, ui ba giờ ui, mà bây giờ đây có mà,
What big? Kalau aku
sorry,
no.
đó là cái gì?
Không bao à? Người ta làm gì?
Yeah, người ta phải,
Cái gì
rồi
nữa?
tôi à, yeah, tụi cô đây, cái này đâu? Đó, tôi dùng cái nó trên cái xe, cái vòng này là, yeah, okay, ấy đó, ấy tôi đây, yeah.
Oh, ada stick you to come.
Yeah.
By your phone there, mama.
Then first step là
Oh,
okay, mày mà phải rồi là cái gì thì mày you get properly.
bukan ada mau beli mau.
Yeah.
Mau beli mau.
Proper, yes.
Why? But secure one side.
Yeah. So you need to do either one down, bam, forward. No down with it. Yeah. Rồi, được rồi. Ai cho ai không à? अच्छा. Ai. अच्छा. I already spoke. Yeah. Bây giờ chúng ta phải chụp hạ đến đấy là cái cổ. Okay, now right. Now right. Take this. Yes, sir. Đi bay à, sir. Thay. Đi trên cổ. Maybe more when it comes to this. Thay đó mà. Thay cái. Đi mà thôi. Thay mà. Good. Hey,